Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we break down the products that matter most to you. Today, we're going to look at a kitchen essential that promises to streamline your blending tasks: the Chefman Immersion Blender 300-watt Turbo 12-speed hand blender. Whether you're a seasoned chef or someone who enjoys making smoothies and soups at home, this could be the tool you need to enhance your cooking experience. At first glance, the Chefman Immersion Blender looks sleek and professional with its black exterior and ergonomic design. This immersion blender is equipped with a 300-watt motor, making it a powerful addition to any kitchen. With 12 speed settings, this blender gives you precise control over your blending, whether you're pureeing smoothies, soups, or crushing ice. And for those times when you need an extra push, the turbo button offers an additional boost to your blending power. What stands out here is not just the blender's capability, but the fact that it promises to handle tough ingredients like leafy greens and frozen fruit with ease. One of the most significant selling points of the Chefman Immersion Blender is its versatile design. The high-power motor, paired with the specially designed cross blades, allows it to blend a variety of ingredients, from delicate fruits to harder, frozen items. For those looking to make everything from smoothies to sauces or soups, this blender has you covered. The 12-speed options mean you can adjust the power to suit your task, whether you're gently mixing or need more power to handle tough ingredients. The turbo button is great for giving that extra burst of speed when you're in a hurry or dealing with particularly challenging ingredients. What really sets this blender apart is its thoughtful design. The heat-resistant plastic blade guard is a feature many immersion blenders overlook. This guard prevents scratching pots and other cookware, which is a major plus if you're working with non-stick surfaces or delicate cookware. It's one less thing to worry about while you're whipping up your favorite dish. The detachable blade is also a standout, twisted off for easy cleaning. The blade is dishwasher safe, so you can spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your meals. Now, let's talk about real-world performance. When I first took the Chefman Immersion Blender out of the box, the setup was simple. I plugged it in, selected the desired speed, and got straight to work. I tried a few tests, like making a smoothie with frozen berries and ice and pureeing a batch of tomato soup. The blender easily handled both tasks. The smoothie was smooth and creamy, and the blender didn't struggle with the frozen ingredients. When I made the soup, the texture was perfectly consistent, and I didn't notice any chunks. The power was more than sufficient, and the turbo function definitely came in handy when I needed that extra bit of power. But no product is without its flaws. The first thing I noticed was the weight. While it's not overwhelmingly heavy, it's slightly more substantial than some other immersion blenders I've used. The handle, though ergonomic, could feel a bit cumbersome for those with smaller hands, especially when using the blender for an extended period. It's also worth noting that this is not the quietest blender out there. When cranking up the speed, it's a bit on the noisy side. But that's not necessarily a deal breaker if you're looking for performance over silence. The build quality feels solid overall, but the plastic components like the blade guard do feel a little more delicate than I expected. While it's durable enough for daily use, I'd be cautious when handling the blender after a few years of heavy use, especially if the guard or other plastic pieces start to wear out. But then again, this blender is backed by a 1-year warranty, so Chefman does offer some peace of mind in case any issues arise. When it comes to value for money, the Chefman Immersion Blender sits at an affordable price point. It's certainly not the most expensive immersion blender on the market, but it does offer a solid performance at this price range. There are other immersion blenders out there with similar power and features, but not many can compete with the thoughtful design, like the blade guard and easy-to-clean detachable blade, which add a level of convenience not always found in this category. For a similar price, some alternatives, like the Hamilton Beach 2-speed hand blender, might offer a similar power output but lack the same durability or precision control. If you're in the market for a blender that's reliable, powerful, and easy to clean, the Chefman certainly delivers on those fronts. In terms of longevity, While we can't say definitively how this product holds up over several years, Chefman is known for creating durable appliances. The 300-watt motor, while not the most powerful in the market, has enough juice to perform in most home kitchens, and the materials used in the construction seem designed for everyday use. If you do need customer support, Chefman's reputation in this area is solid, and they offer a 1-year warranty, which adds another layer of security for those who might be concerned about long-term use. Based on feedback from various sources, Chefman is generally known for providing timely responses and assistance, so if you run into any trouble, they're likely to offer help. To wrap things up, the Chefman Immersion Blender is a great option for anyone who wants a reliable, versatile hand blender without breaking the bank. It has the power to tackle a range of tasks from smoothies to soups, and it does so with ease. The ergonomic design, heat-resistant blade guard, and detachable blade make it user-friendly and easy to maintain. Yes, it has a couple of drawbacks, such as its weight and noise level, but for the price, those are manageable. So, if you're looking for a practical and affordable immersion blender to help with your kitchen tasks, the Chefman Immersion Blender 300-watt Turbo is worth considering. It delivers solid performance, convenience, and a well-thought-out design that can make your cooking experience a little bit easier. Thanks for watching today's review. If you've used the Chefman Immersion Blender or have any questions about it, feel free to drop a comment below. The link to get your hands on this product is in the comments box. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our next review. Goodbye till next time. Keep blending, keep cooking, and remember, here at Reviewsinside TV, we bring you the best products for your kitchen and beyond.